Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss a practice example on how to find the minimum length between two functions. Example 2. The sketch shows the graphs of f of x is 2x plus 3, that's the straight line, and g of x is minus 2x squared plus 14x plus k, that's the parabola. C is any point on F and D any point on G, such that CD is parallel to the y-axis. K is a value such that C lies above D. 2.1. Write down a simplified expression for the length of CD in terms of x and k. Remember, in terms of x and k means that you may have an x and a k in your answer. So to work out an expression for the length, we will say CD equals, it's the top graph minus the bottom. Therefore, it's the straight line minus the parabola. And we end with CD equals 2x plus 3 minus bracket and the parabola minus 2x squared plus 14x plus k. And then you can multiply in the minus and you end with 2x plus 3 plus 2x squared minus 14x minus k. And then I'm going to add my like terms. 2x and minus 14x is negative 12x, and I'm going to write my answer in a proper descending order. Therefore, a simplified expression for the length of CD is 2x squared minus 12x plus 3 minus k. 2.2. If the minimum length of CD is 5, calculate the value of k. So this means the minimum length is given and we have to find a value of k. So again, there is our expression from the previous sum, and remember, minimum maximum is a turning point. So we will start by working out the x of the turning point, since this is where the minimum will occur, and x is minus b over 2a. And remember, a's value is this 2 and b's value is negative 12. Therefore, x is minus bracket minus 12 over 2 times 2. And then a minus times a minus is a plus 12 divided by 4. X is equal to 3. Therefore, the minimum occurs at x is equal to 3. And it's given that the minimum length of CD is 5. So therefore, now you can take your expression CD and you can equate it to 5, since this is the y, the minimum length. And then we know the minimum length occurs at x is equal to 3. And that means in x's place, you will substitute 3 so that you can work out k. Therefore, 5 equals 2 times 3 squared minus 12 times 3 plus 3 minus k. And then on this one, 3 squared is 9 times 2 is 18, and minus 12 times 3 is minus 36 plus 3 minus k. And then we can add all the numbers here. 18 minus 36 plus 3 is negative 15. And now we will solve k. So the negative 15 will walk across. 5 plus 15 is minus k. 20 is minus k, but we want positive k. So we divide away the minus, and k's value is negative 20. In the next video, I will discuss a part of the syllabus we call deductions from graphs, but in fact, it's just exam questions. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson. Have you subscribed yet? and feel free to like my video or leave a comment.